Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. MobilityPass, found at https://mobilitypass.com, offers a unique solution for managing transportation expenses, particularly beneficial for those frequently traveling or working remotely. The platform essentially acts as a centralized hub, consolidating various transportation options under one digital roof. Imagine having access to ride-hailing services, public transport tickets, and even bike-sharing programs, all managed through a single, streamlined interface. This simplifies expense tracking and potentially offers cost savings through aggregated deals and partnerships. Businesses can utilize MobilityPass to simplify employee commuting and travel arrangements, providing a convenient way to manage budgets and reimbursements. For individuals, it streamlines the often cumbersome process of juggling multiple transportation apps and payment methods. The potential for integration with existing expense management systems adds another layer of efficiency, making MobilityPass a potentially valuable tool for both individuals and organizations looking to optimize their transportation spending. While specific features and pricing may vary depending on location and individual needs, the platform's core functionality centers around providing a comprehensive and user-friendly transportation management solution. Further exploration of the MobilityPass website can provide detailed information on available services, pricing structures, and potential benefits for your specific situation. The idea of having a single access point for various transportation modes is appealing, especially in today's increasingly mobile world. This allows for greater flexibility and control over transportation choices, potentially leading to both time and cost savings. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a remote worker, or a business owner seeking a better way to manage employee transportation, MobilityPass is worth considering. It presents a modern approach to navigating the complexities of transportation in the 21st century, offering a potentially valuable tool for both individuals and organizations alike. Remember to check out the link in the description below for more information.